You may softly sound the extra short gong of commencement. Cat is very windy. Wow! It's really dark. You can't see anything, sorry. You can hear it, right? You can hear the treehouse shrieking at us. We're in the treehouse during a windstorm. Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Random Moments with Quadcat. We're gonna check out the treehouse during this windstorm. Oh, that's not good. There's that. Things are really moving out here. Oh my goodness. It is. Oh. Well, this is an interesting place to be right now.